Okay guys, so I'm gonna do some ignition coil and spark plug on this 4X Jeep. We have a Misfire and stuff. Okay guys, so to find out which one of the cylinders is misfiring, you can just unplug this right here. You hear the engine go down like you want to turn off. So that means that one is working. Come over here, not doing anything. So this is the bad one. We have one new one here to install. Gonna do that. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take out the spark plugs. It's a 5/8 socket. Take that out. Take out the old spark plug. Just go ahead and put in a new one just like that, guys. So after you install the spark plug, guys, just go ahead and put in a new ignition coil. Press it all the way down. Catch your bolts. And just connect back the wire and that's it. Tighten back the bolt. Alright. See? Working now.